In this video, I want to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone 16e. In case you're not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, maybe the connection is not stable, you're probably wondering why. Well, I'll give you a few different tips. Let's start with the easiest of them. It's to do a force restart. To do it, simply press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. So let me do it. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Okay, keep it. Usually it's around 8 seconds until the Apple logo appears on the display. This is simply shutting down the phone and it will power on by itself. Here we go, the Apple logo. I can release the button. And it can fix many different software issues, not only related to Wi-Fi. Now, if this didn't work, let's go to tip number 2, which is to go into the settings. And you see this is airplane mode. Simply turn it on and turn it on and turn it off multiple times. You can also do it by dragging the top right corner. You should see the airplane here. Turn it on, turn it off multiple times during around 10 to 15 seconds, and then leave it to off. Sometimes, don't ask me why, this worked for so many people. People have commented in my comments saying that it worked and they don't know how. Myself, I don't know why it works, but by clicking that airplane mode many times for 10 to 15 seconds could help with the Wi-Fi. Another thing I suggest is that you unplug your Wi-Fi router during 2 to 3 minutes from the wall outlet, connect it back, go on your iPhone. This is the Wi-Fi network that I'm trying to connect to. Press the I button, select forget network, forget. Now wait for that router to come back online. And once it's online, connect to it. So again, put the passcode of your router. And fortunately, after doing this, your iPhone will be able to connect to it. Another source of this problem could be a VPN. If you're using a VPN with your iPhone, okay, go in the settings, go in the search bar down below, type VPN, tap on the first option. If you have a VPN connected, disconnect yourself from it and see if your iPhone is actually connecting to the Wi-Fi and working. Sometimes the VPN, unfortunately, is the cause and not your iPhone and not your router either. Finally, I suggest you can do a reset of the network settings by going to the settings of your iPhone, go into General, go down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This will not delete any apps, any pictures, anything personal. It will simply reset the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and your data connection. So you'll have to reconnect yourself to the Wi-Fi network and reconnect your Bluetooth devices. So select network settings, it will ask you to enter your passcode, and this is another option on how to fix this issue. Obviously, you can do a full factory reset by selecting erase all content and settings, but this is the last resort. Try my other tips first, and fortunately, one of those will work. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any other tips that you want to share, leave them, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.